After sanding the interior of the canoe, I go back and I take a little sprayer and spray water over the inside, darkens it up, and it lets you really see where the little glue is that you missed is squeaked out between the boards. So I take an assortment of tools, a little scraper like this, or this is a little scorp, and it's used for scratching, planing little bits of material off the bottom, or a little round bottom hand plane that you can use to clean up this canoe prior to fiberglassing. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Saves a whole lot of sanding when you do that. And just stick with it. It'll look good.